Oh, that's sad, my brother. I don't want pull no trigger. I just want me, cause I can place. I don't want no wahala, no wahala, no wahala, no wahala, no wahala, no wahala. The last time that I
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Zainwa Gamlagalaga, and I'm back with another video. Today I actually bought hair from one of the stores you guys always love on TikTok. People always rave about Dragon City, this particular store. I actually got Vietnamese hair from them, and when I say I am super disappointed, I feel like I've never felt like this disappointed in a long time, especially when it comes to hair. Oh my god, I am super disappointed. Let me show you the hair that I got and let's discuss it. Let's go through it. When I say I'll never believe the internet again, I'd rather go in store myself and see the hair for myself and not buy online, because wow, at this point it's not make does. This is the hair, you guys. Off the bat, you would think that it looks good and like it's Vietnamese hair, and I expected it not to have flyaways. That's the first thing. And also their closure, and I really don't understand. Like I really tried with this wig. I tried flattening it, I tried blow drying it, I tried it with my hot comb. For the life of me, I couldn't, like, I don't know, I couldn't make it flat. And you guys know me with wigs, I can make wigs look good, but this one angiko show. And I got a 10-inch because, you know, I told you guys that I don't want ear-to-ear wigs anymore. So I literally like just want something, if I put it on I look good immediately. I'm not about 13x4s anymore. I don't like that because I feel like it's too much effort, and for me I just want like a wig that I can put on and that's it. So that's what I was looking at this particular wig. So I took a 5x5 because that's what I'm used to. They call this the Kim K bob, and let me show you like the inside of this wig. The inside of this wig, off the bat, it is not giving at all. Not at all. Look, there's no adjustable strap to start with, like the adjustable strap that you would have for glueless wig. There's nothing that they have over here. They only have this strap, and I feel like I won't feel secure when I'm wearing this wig. I haven't worn it, so it comes with these two straps, and like, this is just how it is. Went in with a bit of makeup over here. I'll show like an insert of how it looked when it came like straight out of the box. So yeah, this is the hair, you guys. Like, I am really not happy, not at all. I was under the impression that Vietnamese hair is supposed to be giving. This particular wig, it seems like this is not Vietnamese hair. It is just that they gave it a name because it is a trend at the moment. Like if you have Vietnamese hair or if you have drone, yeah, that's what they did over here. I don't think this is Vietnamese. And also the wig, like the wig cap is super small. It does not fit me at all. Like, oh, and I like, honestly, I am super disappointed. Can you guys see the flyaways here? I'm not sure if you can see it, but can you see it? This wig is supposed to be like leveled because that's how they advertised it. I'm not quite sure how it's showing on camera. Like, how are you guys seeing it? Because on my end, it is just not it. It is not it at all. And people are talking about these wigs on TikTok. I'm not sure if those are people that like live in Johannesburg and that have access to the store, like can physically go to the stores, and maybe they get given like better wigs because they are in store. This one, guys, when I say this is super small, like it's small for my head. I'm not making this up. My god, I don't even know how to put it. I tried flattening it in front with my hot comb and also with a blow dryer. So usually if it's not going down with a comb, I usually just go in with my blow dryer because it does a much better job than the blow dryer. Guys, I'm not satisfied. This hair, by the way, is going for 1,100. And when I spoke to the owner saying that I'm not happy about this wig, They were like, oh well, oh, and I told them that I blow dried the hair, and so I blow dried the hair and I hot combed it just to see like how is it gonna be. They were like, no, there's nothing we can do. You can't exchange the hair because you've already blow dried the hair. You're not supposed to blow dry the hair. And I'm like, but you did not tell me anything about that before. And also in the package, this is the only thing that came with it. Maybe if you had a little note inside the bag, I wouldn't have like your description and all your terms. I wouldn't have blow dried the hair, because I mean, whenever I get hair, I first like blow dry it and iron it. Like when you're getting hair from the package, it does not come straight, so you need to straighten it first and make it look good. This guy was like, no, you weren't supposed to do that. Oh, I was like, yeah. So it's like, no, I'm not gonna refund you. I'm not. Well, I wasn't looking for a refund. He was like, no, he's not gonna exchange the hair. So yeah, this is the hair. This is the hair. I don't like it. I will never buy hair from Dragon City again. Well, I just might go to Johannesburg myself, because I don't think that people are lying online. I just think that you just need to be there physically. You can't buy it from like another province and expect good hair, clearly, especially with this shop. Let me just read it to you, like the shop. So the shop name is shop number H12, Dragon City, Main Reef Road and Bonanza Street, Crown North, Johannesburg. Yeah guys, this does not fit. Like I feel like when I say literally, my wig cap is out, because I've lifted this wig so that it can sit sort of like at a higher point, because I'm afraid that it won't look good. And so I don't know what to do with this wig. I really don't know. I'm not sure if I should just like take out the layers and then give it to someone to sort of like put it in a fitting cap for me. Maybe I will do that, because I really don't know. I don't know, but one thing about me, I will never buy at Dragon City if I am not physically there. I will never believe TikTok as well when it comes to Dragon City. I need to go there physically, or if I know someone who knows like hair well, maybe I should do that. Guys, what's this? Vietnamese hair is supposed to all be like equal. It's supposed to be like drone hair, and also there's no flyaways. That's what I was running from when I got a bob that is Vietnamese hair, because I know that everything is equal. I'm not sure if this camera is serving wild child. Like, are you guys seeing the flyaways on this hair? Can you see it? I don't know how I'm gonna deal with that. I honestly don't know. Yeah, but I guess for the price point though, I can't really complain. I can, but like, yeah, based on what they advertised, I can. But yeah guys, this is it. Maybe let's go in with a bit of ironing, but I've ironed this hair so many times that I think I shouldn't iron it, but let's do it together. The construction of this wig is really bad. Like here, when I tell you that I've super ironed it and I've super hot combed it, super hair dried it, but still I'm not happy at all. It is not it at all. Feel like if I would wear this, which I am not gonna do that, I think I'll just take pictures with it and just give up this wig, because honestly I don't know. I really don't know. I'm not sure if you can see my back. Like, can you see this? It's supposed to be a Kim K bob Vietnamese hair, but it's not working. It's not working. If you want to buy hair from Dragon City, the advice that I would give you is perhaps go in store, or maybe just Dragon City is not good hair at all. Not at all. They don't have good hair at all. I don't think so at this point. I say it is not it. I am not happy at all about the PR that has been going on TikTok. No. Like, I feel like this hair is normal hair. This is like, I don't know, 9A Brazilian hair that they just constructed and they called it Vietnamese hair. Can you guys see this? Like something has to give here. There's nothing. There is nothing that is giving up. Because no, guys, I really don't know what to do with myself. I think I'm just gonna change this wig. I can't be wearing this, child, outside. Yeah, this is it. I just wanted to show you like the hair that I got from Dragon City. how unhappy I am, and yeah, this is it. Like if you're someone that does not know hair, you won't pick up that this is not Vietnamese hair. I think you would think that it is Vietnamese hair, but based on the strands that are standing up and the flyaways that are standing up, it just gives it away. But this is not Vietnamese hair. This is not how Vietnamese hair is supposed to be. This is a bone straight wig, and it's supposed to be like straight, like melba equalile. Gets closer. This is no, it is not it at all, guys. I don't like it. I don't like it. Even this part, like, what is this? What's happening with this closure? Oh, I feel like if I had like a comb that was a hot comb that could make things like lay flat. I don't know, aunties. I don't know what's going on here, honestly. I really don't. But yeah, I just wanted to show you this and give you my review on Dragon City hair. They're not the best. I will see you guys in my next upload. I really don't know what's gonna happen with this wig, whether I'm gonna take it off, but I know a friend of mine who's selling like a type of hair, and I know the hair based on her, so I'm gonna purchase hair from her and I'll review it and show you guys how it's supposed to look. But this is definitely not it. Yes, the hair might be moving and it might look like it's moving for now, but definitely after wearing it a couple of times and washing it, trust me, this hair is not going to look good. It's only looking good because now they air dried it and they put products on it. Otherwise, this is not good hair. I can like already tell from it. So yeah, this is just my review and my opinion. I will see you guys in my next upload. Please don't forget to like this video so that it can also go to a wider audience. Like it. I will see you in my next upload. Bye, my love. Bye.
I don't want pull no trigger. I just want